Let's take a look at Selenium IDE. Selenium Integrated Development Environment is an open-source record and playback web browser tool that empowers test developers for instant Selenium test cases development. Selenium IDE is an easy-to-use tool from the Selenium test suite. Can be immediately used by any novice to develop multiple automated web application test cases. Let's take a look at Selenium IDE practical applications, when and how. In a real-world working environment, there are situations when management, business, and intended users might require quick additional regression test suites. Such situations are characterized as time-cost critical due to no time to involve local automation developers testing group, which is time and money consuming. In case your local testing team members are not experienced or professionally prepared automated developers and are at novice automation level, a management usually makes an executive decision to utilize inexpensive tools and approaches. Such moments are perfect time and place for applying web browser extensions like Selenium IDE, which does not require special training and fast, effective tool. You need to visit Google Chrome Web Store, and within a seconds you might add Selenium IDE extension to your browser. I did it right here, Selenium IDE. I'm going to involve it. We have a number of choices. We can create a new project or open an existing project, record a new test in new project, or close. First of all, I need to create a project. I'm gonna call it demo Selenium IDE project. Click OK. Right now we have three choices. Test suites, test executing. It would be wise to add the test suites right away. I'm gonna delete the default suite and add my test suite, first one. Gonna call it demo. Demo financial test suite. I click add and I wanna add another one. Demo extra test suite. I'm going to add it. Now I'm switching to tests. I don't need this test. I'm gonna delete it. And I'm gonna add some tests. I'm gonna call it demo mortgage test case add. And I'm gonna add another one, demo loan test case. Also, I'm gonna add another two, demo auto test case and demo retirement test case. First of all, I'd like to see mortgage test case. I click on it. And I would like to record it now. I'm gonna click recording. Selenium IDE is asking to insert project base URL here. I'm gonna start recording. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to clear fields. I'm going to populate something. Selenium IDE is recording. Let's say January 2025. I'm interested in this checkbox. I'm going to uncheck it. And I'm going to click on calculate right now. Okay. It's time to look at the code recorded. First of all, I need to stop recording here. Stop recording. Then I'm going to estimate it visually, look visually. Then I'm going to rerun my test case. Run current tests. Let's see. I specifically select web pages where I see some necessary web elements. Okay, it passed. Now I click at Launch Test Case. And I'd like to record it. Selenium IDE is recording. I will use same principle. I'm interested in this drop downs. Loan amount. For the test sake, I'm gonna be using simple numbers. Loan term, let's say 30 years. 30 years. Loan month 6. Interest rate, let's say 7.5. Now monthly. I want to pay, let's say bi-weekly. Pay back every month. Let's say every half month. And I'm going to click on calculate. Selenium IDE is still recording. Results are good. I'm back to my Selenium IDE. I'm gonna stop recording. And first of all, I need to rerun this loan test case. You see, demo mortgage passed. Click run test case. Drop downs are handled. Very good. Also passed. Now I'm going to demo auto test case. And I'm going to start recording. Let me see. You can locate windows, split windows half by half if you want to see your Selenium IDE recorder. Okay, I see. First of all, let me see monthly payment. I'll go to total price, okay. Auto price, let's say 75,123. Long term, let's say 50 months. Interest rate, let's say 6.5. Cash incentives, down payment, let's say 15, trade-in value 1000, amount owed in trade-in 500, your state, let's say Florida. Now, title, registration, other fees. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna check include all fees and loan. And I'm going to click, let me check it, to click on calculate button. Okay. Let's stop recording. Good. Let me see it. Let's see how this case will be handled. It's fast when you use it right away. Good. Let's check demo retirement test case, create one. Let's start recording. Let me see. First of all, I'm gonna clear. Current age, let's say 55. Planned retirement 65. Life expectancy 95. Your current pre-tax income 55.3. Assumptions. Current increase 2% per year. Income needed after retirement. I want to switch it to $sign. 12,123. Then average investment return in percentage 1.5. Inflation rate 1.2. Indeed, it's more. Other income after retirement. Months, let's say. I wanna, let's say 7,123. Sorry, 700. Your current retirement savings, let's say 30,123. And future retirement savings, dollar, let's say 25,123. And I'm gonna click calculate. Okay. Now stop recording. And let's go. I'm not gonna run it. I'm going to test suites. Now demo extra test suite. I'm gonna add test. Which tests? Auto loan and retirement. And I click OK. Let me see it. And then this one, financial, I'm gonna add the suites, mortgage, and loan. Add. So right now, let's say I want in this test suite run all test cases. Okay. Before I'm going to do it, please notice that you can select test execution speed. Right now it's fast, you can lower or faster it. Okay. In case you have very extensive web page with many web elements, you can lower your speed. That's it. The whole test suite have been executed. Let me go here and execute this one. Run all tests in test suite. As you can see, all our test suites have been passed. Now we demonstrated that Selenium IDE is a very time, cost-effective and practical tool for all testers at novice level. Even maybe not at novice, maybe at intermediate level. However, when the time is crucial, your project has a definite timeline, or you received from your end users such requests. As you can see, it's totally effective. See you in the next lectures.